Hi everyone, so we're here to do an unboxing of the camera that I've been waiting for quite a while since it's been announced and been up for pre-order. So we have this arrived like literally just minutes ago. Hopefully this is the one that I'm waiting for, it's not something else. Here we go. Alright, so sorry about the view. So yeah, I think that's a little better. Yeah, here it is. Okay, the Z9. So I ordered this like the day after that it was up for pre-order at Adorama. So I guess that's why it took a while before I get mine. But here it is. So again, like always, this wasn't sponsored by anyone or any company. I bought the Z9 with my own American credit card. So here we go. Let's do it. Okay. All right. So let's. Okay, stuff that we don't really care about for now. Okay, let's put that aside. Guess this is the camera. And what's this? Is the charger and the strap that we probably will not gonna be using. And then here's the battery. All right. Get some other, like the USB-C cable, and whatever this is. I guess this is like for holding the cables when you have it tethered. Yeah. All right. So let's put the rest of this aside. Just look at the item of interest. All right. Yeah. That. So this is like kind of like the second pro level Nikon camera. Well, third one. I had a F5, the D2X years ago. Those have been long gone, sold off, traded in, and then now this. This is like, you know, this is like the F5 I bought it new, the D2X I bought it used, and this is actually the, like, you know, the pro level camera that I bought new. I never thought, like, you know, it's still very expensive, but like, you know, compared the past, this is relatively affordable now, so which is kind of nice. So anyway, let's put this on. That's interesting. So once it's, yeah, it's just spring loaded. Great. Cool. Oops. Maybe not do that. Hey. Alright, so let me just get a lens. Okay, so let's quickly put this on. This is the Z 40mm. I guess let's take the smallest lens that would, so I could film the entire camera on video. I put the entire camera on video, I guess. Cool. All right. Okay. So okay, that's it for now. Like always, gonna play around a bit with this for a couple days and share my thoughts about it in the next day or whatever, like, you know, time permitting. Till then,